with reference to the general notice of University Grants Commission, New Delhi, dated 17th April 2025, regarding expression of interest for development of Masho open online courses on Swayam platform in environmental studies. I am submitting the proposal to design and develop a course on Indian knowledge system and environment for undergraduate level. I myself, Dr. Ghanshyam Gupta, Professor, Department of Energy and Environment, Faculty of Science and Environment, Mahatma Gandhi चित्रकूट ग्रामोदय विश्वविद्यालय, चित्रकूट, सतना, मध्य प्रदेश. I will be the course coordinator for the above course. Objective of the course will be to promote sustainable development, to conserve environment and natural resources like air, water, soil, energy, etc., to create holistic understanding of nature among the stakeholders as well as among the general public, to develop sustainable solution for various environmental problems like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, global warming, ozone depletion, etc. Outline of the course will be historical context, indigenous knowledge, sustainable agriculture, community-based natural resource management like soil, water, energy, minerals, etc. Holistic education, need of Indian knowledge system and modern environmental education, sustainable agriculture, conservation of mountain and forest in order to provide and maintain perennial status of our sacred rivers, watershed practices, control of carbon emission, importance of plantation, etc. Outcome of the course will be environmental conservation, achieve sustainable development and management of natural resources, achievement of biodiversity, creation of public awareness, popularity of eco-friendly approaches for development of agriculture. A focus will be given on our ancient epics like Sri Ramcharitmanas written by Goswami Tulsidas, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Valmiki Ramayana, etc. And the knowledge given in these epics will be brought among the general public, our students and researchers. One thing which is very much important and it is related to our environment, that in these epics it was described that the people were very much aware with the environment. So they know that if the environment is healthy, we will be healthy. If environment is not healthy, certainly we cannot be healthy. Just like I am giving one example, that by the residential status of Lord Ram in Chitrakoot, it was described in Sri Ramcharitmanas that सरिता सब पुनीत जल बहाई, खग मृग मधुप सुखी सब रहाई. I mean to say that when Lord Ram was living in the Chitrakoot, he was very much aware with the various components of the environment, just like river waters quality, and in the above Chopai it was clear that all the rivers, they are flowing with the pure water, means there was no water pollution. Similarly, it is very much important that in these epics it was described that the sustainability of rivers is only possible if we give the sustainable situation to the mountains and the forest. Means the discussion or description on the rivers is always come after mountain and forest, showing that our forest and mountain, they are the parents of the rivers. Forest, they are doing the rainwater harvesting. Mountain, they are conserving the water or they are storing the water, and the rivers, they are supplying the water. In short, if we are giving the perennial status to the river, to certain